I thank God I met you before I'm 30. And on my 30th birthday, I will be spending it with you. Let's start with I love you.
What a beautiful life.
Somewhere along the way, I realized you weren't sent to distract me, but to bless me. I love that with you, I don't have to fix myself just to be loved. You see me, you choose me, and stay. And that kind of love healed parts of me I didn't realize needed healing.
You are my brake when I am tired. You are my brakes when I overspeed. You pull me back when I overthink. You, Jaira Hernando, made me a better person. And I thank you and God for that. Doon pa lang panalo na ako. Thank you, Lord.
Today, I give you my life, truthfully, faithfully, and with all my heart. I love you, Baba. Always have, always will. Oh my
Diyan
God.
ka lang.
Yes.
Office na daw.
Ang bilis naman! Baba, parang tension ka. Okay, I love you, Baba. This is it. Hindi ako kinakabahan kanina, kinakabahan ako ngayon.
Ako, I wrote my notes down because sure, ako sa decision ko, but now, baka mental block ako sa mga sasabihin ko. I prayed for this day. Thank you for choosing me. And thank you sa paghihintay.
Mm,
And I love you.
I love you.
Office na po.
Naghahakot ng ano kanina pa. Bagay-bagay. Thanks. Hindi ko kaya.
Tanong kung paano yung edit ni Jace yung mic eh. Magdamag ba ito naka-record, Jace? Oh, shit.
Clang! Yeah. Ano nga session natin? Hindi ka iyak.
Magmahalan ko yung magkatawa.
Mm,
Congrats.
thank you.
Si Kuya Rob. Congratulations.
To my wife on our wedding day. Ay! To my soon-to-be ex-girlfriend, I'm so excited with the vows. I accidentally wrote it here. With my gifts and this marriage, I set my heart ablaze. Ay, wow! Very Rengoku. I love you so much and I can't wait to marry you. Your soon-to-be husband, Rofrix. Ah? Grabe naman siya. Hindi ka iiyak! Wait lang.
Grabe, Roffrey.
Rengoku. I think di ko na siya kailangan buksan kasi kita naman.
Ito.
Grabe.
Ama, kung paano mo inumpisahan siya, Vivian, at the end of the day, ganun mo rin siyang Vivian.
Of course, of course. I love you.
Alam mo, paano mo minamali sarili mo, mahal mo yung isa.
Hindi, mas mahal ko yun. Kasi sa akin. Love you.
Yung
Ang ingay. Shh! Huy!
regalo ka ng Diyos sa akin, pero niregaloan ka ng bago rin para sa'yo, si Ja. Love her like the Lord's love.
Mm.
Any sacrifices and help, you must do everything.
Mm.
Never surrender, anak.
Okay, thank you po. Pag naglalakad kami minsan, pag gumaganon ako, automatic yun eh, kumakabit eh. Ha? Ano to yung mga small things in life na gusto ko makuha? Hindi, mahal na yung wedding eh. Kailangan ito ibebenta ko pa to after. Ay, joke lang. So, number 1. Watch.
Wallet.
Wallet? Anong watch?
Or watch. Wallet.
Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Flex my flex. Vlogger.
May cash! Ay! May cash! Hindi natin yung makita. Ay! Oh, black clover. Basta. I want this. Sabi ko sa'yo eh, siguro isa sa mga things in life namin is gusto namin maging kid pa din. Si Yuno, naka-ano pa, glow in the dark. Glow in the dark.
Mo nga, flashlight mo nga. Flashlight, patay nga ilaw.
Pwede papatay ko ilaw.
And now for the letter. Turok from Jaja. Ako nag-stamp niyan.
Wala na.
Yan. Oo. To husband on our wedding day. Ang ganda ng sulat niya. Oh, ang ganda. Yung sa akin, share ko lang. Akala ko lalagyanan siya ng vows. So, may paper na naka-paste. Pang gift pala. So, yan. To my husband, you officially can't return me now. Thank you for loving me the way you do, for laughing with me, and somehow still choosing me even on my dramatic, hungry, and slightly chaotic days. Can't wait to spend a lifetime with you. I hope my wedding gift to you will remind you the animes you shared with me, so that I liked them and I enjoyed them better because it was from you and I was with you. Looking forward for more laughs, more food trips, and a lifetime of annoying each other lovingly. Love you always, Jaira. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Group hug ulit.
Parang may naalala ka.
Ano to?
Over pa.
Kung namin nagkakilala, online eh. Wala na yung site na yun. Nagkakilala kami sa Omegle. Tapos, first time namin magkita, sinabi niya parang lalabas lang siya. Tapos, magre-rest somewhere. Eh, alam ko mahilig siya sa kape. So, hinulaan ko kung saan coffee shop siya pupunta.
Yung first impression ko sa kanya was, parang di ko siya magugustuhan. Ganun. Hindi ko talaga, parang, basta. Hindi siya yung, yung parang love mo agad yung person or like mo agad yung person.
The past 3 years sa relationship namin. Sana, I don't know if you're watching this, yeah. Sana same pa din yung love. And if in the future maging bumpy, sana future off or future ja, right? Remember kung ano yung nararamdaman mo at this moment. Sana bigyan kami ni Lord ng strength to overcome future challenges.
Actually, walang specific. Pero, ramdam mo na lang na parang, ramdam ko na lang na ito na yun. Ito na yung person na ready ako to spend my life with.
Unfortunately, namatay yung lola niya sa Ilocos. And 3 weeks in, sinamahan ko siya doon. Na 1 week yata kami doon. Tapos, nakilala ko yung family niya there, nakilala ko si Tito.
Actually, request yun ng mom ko na isama siya doon kasi I was grieving sa pagkamatay ng lola ko. Hindi ko naman in-expect na magugustuhan din siya ng mom ko for me. And yun nga, dinamayan niya ako all throughout kahit may work siya. Tapos nag-leave pa siya ng 1 linggo para dun. So, I think yun yung turning point for me na maramdaman ko na, okay, lagi niya ako pinipili kahit sa mga araw na hindi ako okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, friends and family, stand with me and let us all welcome my beautiful bride, Jaira Jesus Hernando. And I, Rofrix Arcelon, vow that I will keep on choosing you forever. Kahit mapagod, mainis magtampo, lumindol, uminit, bumagyo. Sa inis, galit at saya, sa mga araw na pagod tayong dalawa. Hanggang sa dulo ng buhay nating hiram sa kanya. Ikaw at ikaw lang, palagi, Jaira.
I'll stand with you in every season, pray for you when words fall short, and love you with everything I have.